In this video, I'll be showing the functions of the Subiebros bar style F1 tail light. Just going through the functions of it. It's a dual function light. It has a blink function for when you stop, and also a solid function for when you stop, and you can switch the functions from the driver's seat. It doesn't have a daytime running light, so during when you're just driving, it won't be lit up. It only comes on when the lights are on, and it also only activates when you hit the brake lights, of course. I'll get in the car and show you the different functions and see what you think. So you can see the dual functionality of the tail light, the blink versus the solid. To switch it is pretty simple. You just got to turn your headlights on and off 3 times fully while depressing the brake pedal. The ignition doesn't have to be on for it to switch functions. Me personally, I like the flash, but that's just because you know, it's a race car, so you got to have that function on there. But other than that, if you like this video, subscribe and leave a like, and I'm trying to put out one a week, primarily car based. Could have anything from cooking to dirt bikes, motorcycle, life in general. But I appreciate you watching. Thank you.